Alright, so today we're going to show you guys how to utilize our new seafood boil at home shaker bags. So what we've just done is we just boiled our at home seafood boil kit. So we did the shrimp kit. So all we did is we got our water boiling, we added our seasoning, and we put the whole kit inside this seafood boil bag in the boiling water for 8 minutes. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put this whole bag right inside your shaker bag here. There we go. And what we're going to do is we're just going to do a little cut on the boil bag. This is going to allow you just to dump this whole bag right into the shaker bag. So you can see that. All right, so we have the whole boil inside the shaker bag. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take one of our seafood boil butters. This is our brand new Cool Ranch Seasoning seafood boil butter. So these do come, frozen. So what we did is we just melted this down, or just heated it up, so it's all liquid now. And we are just going to open this up, and we're going to dump all the butter into the kit. There's all the ranch. Okay, so we got everything inside the shaker bag. And now we're going to work the magic. So all we do here is twist this up, and you just give it a nice shake. So this is exactly what the Crab Shack restaurants do, if you guys have ever been to one of those. And this just really allows you to have that experience and do all that stuff just right at your home. But it just spreads all that butter just right. And then what we'll do is we will put this right over here inside our tray. You guys will see. There you go. You just set it down. You slowly pull this up. You see the butter coming out. There goes the boil. Get the rest of that butter, that seasoning. And there it is. So that's how you do the shaker bag.
That was great.